Amla with a push and a boundary. Oh, hits it hard and finds the gap. Tamim Iqbal is on the charge.
That's where, as a bowler, you should be follow the batsman. Don't give him enough room outside of some to free his arms.
Oh, smashed! What a hit! One bounce over the rope.
He's in form of his life, that's for sure. And look at that shot.
No shot! Wow! Just a little jab and away it goes. One bounce and four. And there he goes again.
The crowd turning up. The beautiful shot. That was drifting down on the leg side.
Four. Too short, too straight, and helped on its way to bring up 50 for the World 11 side.
Few nerves. That was way too short and way too wide on the onside. No chance for Sarfraz to stop that.
Straight hit and beautifully hit.
Class batting. He knew that if anything is going to come into him, he played it with a straight.
Yeah, another decent effort. That's beautifully done.
Picked up the slow ball as well. Fine leg was up. What he can do is got mid-wicket and square leg back on the circuit.
Another drive that will find the gap and find the...
Kept his eyes on the ball when he was hitting the bat.
There's that flick and